Hello, today I wanted to show you my new gadget I got from my Commodore 64. It's a couple gadgets. The main one is the TurboMaster V3. It is a 4.09 megahertz accelerator that was made a long time ago for the Commodore 64. And I got the NeoRAM, which is a modern GeoRAM, and they're both connected to the Commodore with the master adapter. You can also use, instead of a GeoRAM, NeoRAM, you can use an RU with the TurboMaster, but I found that it doesn't really do much with an RU. It was mainly designed first to be used with a GeoRAM or by itself, and they added RU support towards the end, but it doesn't really work very well with an RU, so NeoRAM it is. So you can see some of the switches on here, enable, disable. You can have it with Jiffy DOS or with a regular compatible DOS if Jiffy DOS is a problem. And the other two are about manually setting the accelerator on or letting it be automatically controlled. And then if you set it to manual, you can set it to the regular 1 megahertz or the 4 megahertz accelerated, and then a reset button. So I'm going to show you just two things. I found a NeoRAM enabled game that does work with this. It's called Hook. As you can see, I don't have Jiffy DOS on here, but the TurboMaster does provide Jiffy DOS when it's enabled, if you set the switches right like I have. So let's load the game. I did try several other NeoRAM specific games that I found, and although they work fine with the NeoRAM by itself, they don't seem to work quite right with the TurboMaster enabled. But this one game I found does seem to work pretty well. You'll see when we start playing a little bit that the jumping is a little off because I think the turbo is a little bit too fast for it, but you know. Here we go. Turning the thing here and it goes somewhere. Pirate Forest. Hard to play with one hand, but I think the music is running a bit faster than it normally does. You see how it's just jumpy when I jump? So it's a little bit, but it seems to still work and everything like that. So there's the Hook for you on the TurboMaster. I'm gonna pause for a minute so I can go to my other computer and change to GEOS. Okay, GEOS disk is loaded. This is special GEOS that is configured for using the GeoRAM and the TurboMaster. The guy who makes this, Tomas Christoph, gave me the image to use. So, load. Star. Oops. don't have a smart clock. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look that up, but I think it's for setting the time automatically, which I don't have any kind of real-time clock in the C64. Okay, here we go. See how much faster it is? If flip pages, we can move the screen around, I think. Oh, I guess we can't. Geo, we'll run something. I dropped the mouse. Empty photo album. Okay, great. Let's quit that. Let's run configure. Let me show it. Set up for NeoRAM. Here we go. Oh. It only says 64K. I literally had it booted up and it said 2 meg because I have a 2 meg NeoRAM and now it doesn't. So, oh, great. Well, it works. I'll have to figure out why it doesn't do that. But there's GEOS with the TurboMaster. Thanks a lot.